Okay, guys, we're going to deal with the area of a regular hexagon. So remember, if it's regular, that means that all the sides are the same. That also means all of these angles are the same. So there's a couple pieces that we have to be able to find out to be able to use this. So first of all, to be able to do area, we need to do 1/2 the apothem times the perimeter. Now, they give us the apothem. The apothem is 2 square root of 3. So when you're setting this up, first of all, remember, wherever your center of your circle is, I could actually make a triangle there, and there are actually 6 that would fit inside of there. And in each one of these, this little spot right here is considered to be the central angle. So when you figure out the central angle, around this spot right here, we know it's 360. And we know that there would be 6 triangles that would be there. So if we do 360 divided by 6, that means that that central angle would be 60. So this angle right here would be 60. Now, when we start talking about the apothem goes right down the middle there. So it's the height of the triangle that gets made there. So this is 2 square root of 3. And you know that this whole angle here is 60. This kind of cuts it in half. So that means this is 30 and that's 30. Now that means in that little spot right there, that's a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So if I go to set this up, 30, 60, 2 square root of 3. And then as I go through to do this, this would be one that I can compare to that 30, 60, 90 one. So that is usually, let's see, this is x square root of 3. This would be 2x, and this would be x. This is the generic one that they talk about in this section. And you can see that these two sections, these match up because there's the 30 and there's the 60. So if this is 2 square root of 3 and this is x square root of 3, this x part would have to be 2. So this side would be 2. This would be 2 times 2, which would be 4. Now, what's kind of nice about that is this side right here matches this. So if this is 2, this one is 2, which means this whole side is 4. Now, if it's a hexagon, that means all of these would have to be the same. It's a regular hexagon. Those are all going to be 4. So that means that my perimeter is going to be 4 times 6, which is 24. And my apothem, they already gave me as 2 square root of 3. So now we can plug it into this formula. So I'm going to make the 1/2 into 0.5 just to make it easier to put in my calculator. Oh, it doesn't even matter. Let's leave it, I guess, as 1/2. And then it's 2 square root of 3, and then the perimeter is 24. So the good news is these two pieces right here, those cancel. So you're just going to be left with this part right here. So remember, the number normally goes in front. So it's going to be 24 square root of 3. Now remember, you've got to put that in up here. So that you're going to drag the 2 and the 4 up here and the 3 underneath.